Oh, maybe I should text her. Hey Rima, where are you?
Yeah, I'm right around the corner. Just give me 5 minutes.
Did you get my text?
I did, but I'm at a stop right now, so make it fast.
Oh, well, we just set the table and the turkey's ready. We're all really hungry. We need to eat. Rima? Rima?
If I die young, bury me in satin, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the river at dawn.